Dear Lord, when I get to heaven, please let me bring my girl. When she comes, tell me to hear. Father, tell me that you will. All that